Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how you can kick someone off your PSN account on your device. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you'll have to log in into your account, so then open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box type in www.playstation.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. And also make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, next tap on the smiley icon located in the top right, and once you tap on it, from the drop down menu tap on account settings. Once you're in this page, in the top left corner there's an account, and under it tap on security. So in order to proceed to our next page, tap on continue. Once you're directed to the security page, right over here you'll have to make some changes. You can see in the right hand side corner there's password. So what you have to do is you'll have to simply change your password. Once you change your password, whoever has the access of your account will automatically be logged out of your account. In order to log in, they'll have to have an access of a new password, and that is how you can kick someone off PSN account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.